so happy to be back. It feels so good to be back. Oh my god. Hello. My name is Magwaza, and if you are a new subscriber, welcome to my YouTube channel. 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 Welcome to my Yo, it's been such a long time since I did that dance. But see, we're not there. If you are a new subscriber, welcome. Please do not forget to click that subscribe button and be part of the Magwaza family. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your love, for your support. I really do appreciate it. Thank you. Guys, I can't stop smiling. It's been such a long time. I hope you guys are good. I really hope you guys are good. Yo, it's been such a long time. Things have been rough. Things have been tough. Yo, But yeah, God is good all the time. Yeah, God is good all the time, and with everything that's been happening, he does not change. He's still the same God. Even if we lose our loved ones, our friends, whoever, God is still God. Now, with that being said, today we are doing a makeup tutorial. Yes, we're going to do this subtle orange look, eyeshadow look, and yeah, I just wanted to do something for you guys since it's been such a long time since I did a video, posted anything in that matter. So yeah, I just wanted to post something so that you guys can see that I'm still alive. And I'm good. Yeah, in the midst of it all, I am good. And yeah, and I know a lot of people have been asking me, when are you coming back? Like, we miss you, we miss your smile. Guys, let me just take a moment for the people that actually love my smile, and let me just smile, yeah, bro? Because I know some people are here for my smile. I know there are guys as well that are subscribers to my channel. Obviously, they don't really watch a lot of makeup, but yeah, I'm just gonna smile for them and for everyone else that appreciates and loves my smile. So this is for everyone that loves my smile. I'm just gonna take 1 second or a minute, and I'm gonna just smile for you guys. Sekubuhlungu iqomo ecabanga. Okay. Anyway, you're gonna see my smile throughout the video, so okay, without wasting any time, let's get right on to today's video. We are going to be doing this look. It's a subtle orange eyeshadow look, and yeah this is the look that we will be doing. And yeah, stay tuned if you want to see how I achieved this look. And yes. thank you for watching. Thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah. Guys, I feel like I want to say more things, but yeah, let me just not mix this video because it was just only a tutorial. So please do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment down in the comment section. Tell me what you liked, tell me what you didn't like, and more looks that you guys would love me to try out, or you guys would love me to show you. And yeah. Yes, thank you again for watching. Thank you so much. Until next time, bye.